Hi, hello everyone. So let's discuss today the next exercise, exercise 4C. Exercise 4C. In the very first question, it is saying, give the meaning of each of the following and if possible simplify. So you have to simplify. If it is possible, you have to simplify. Like it is saying 3 to the raised to the power 0. So any number raised to the power 0 is 1. I've already told you. Why? Because it can be assumed that 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power 2. Right? Because in division what happens? The power gets subtracted. So 2 minus 2. So it will be equivalent to 3 to the power 0. So 3 to the power 0 can be written as 3 to the power 2 minus 2, and it can be written as 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power 2. So both will cancel out each other, leaving 1. So therefore the answer is 1. So you do not have to write this. You do not have to write this. This was just for your knowledge. You have to directly write down what? You have to directly write down 1. So this was the first part. Let's see the fourth part. In the fourth part it is saying, fourth part is saying 5 to the power minus 1. So when the power is in negative, it becomes positive if we do what? If we do the reciprocal. So it will become 1 upon 5 to the power 1, and power 1 is 5 itself. So it can be answered as, it will be answered as 1 by 5. Then seventh part it is saying that 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. Now when there is negative sign in the power, the fraction gets reversed. So 1 upon 3 will become 3 upon 1 and raised to the power 1. So 3 upon 1 is 3 and 3 to the power 1 is 3. So answer will be 3. Let's see question number 2. Question number 2 is saying find the value of. Like in the first part it is saying 1 upon x raised to the power minus 1. 1 upon x raised to the power minus 1. So the fraction will be reversed. So it will become x upon 1 to the power 1. That is x will be the answer. Then fourth part, minus 3 to the power minus 1. Minus 3 to the power minus 1. So we will reverse the number. So it will become 1 upon minus 3 to the power 1, and negative sign is not kept in the denominator. So we will write minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3 will be the answer. Let's see part 6. In the part 6 it is saying minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 1. So the fraction will be reversed. It will become minus 2 by 1 raised to the power 1. So answer will be minus 2. Question number 3. In the question number 3 it is saying, like in the first part it is saying 7 raised power 0 plus 8 raised power 0 plus 9 raised power 0. So 7 power 0 1, 8 power 0 1, 9 power 0 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 will be the answer. Then fourth part. In the fourth part it is saying 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 raised to the power minus 3. So when the base is same, in multiplication power gets added. So minus 1 plus minus 3, that is minus 3. So 2 to the power minus 4, that can be written as 1 upon 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 4 is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So 1 upon 16 will be the answer. Like in the fifth part, Fifth part, it is saying 3 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 4 raised to the power minus 1 whole to the power 2. So the power will be distributed to both of them. So 3 raised to the power minus 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 divided by 4 raised to the power minus 2. So it will be written as 1 upon 3 to the power 2 divided by 1 upon 4 to the power 2. So it will be 1 upon 9 divided by 1 upon 16. And division will be changed with multiplication. So the fraction will get reciprocal. So answer will be 16 upon 9. Question number 4. In the question number 4, it is saying simplify. So we have to solve like it is given 4 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 8 raised to the power minus 1. Sorry, not divided, plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power minus 1 bracket close divided by 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 4. 8 power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 8. This thing is in bracket divided by 2 upon 3's power is negative, so it can be written as 3 upon 2 and power will become positive, so power is 1, no need to write it down. Now 4 and 8 LCM will be 8. Here you will get 2, here you will get 1 divided by 3 by 2. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 3 by 8, division will change with multiplication and it will be reversed, so 2 by 3. 3 got cancelled with 3 and 2 cancels the 8. Therefore the answer is 1 by 4. Let's see the question number 4th, third part. In the third part, it is saying 4 by 9 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by 17 upon 18 raised to the power 0. So this can be written as 9 upon 4 raised to the power 2, power becomes positive. This can be written as 4 by 1 raised to the power 2. This can be written as 3 to the power 2, and this will be 17 by 18, that is 1, power 0 is 1. So 9 power 2 81 upon 4 power 2 multiplied by 4 power 2 multiplied by 3 square is 9 multiplied by 1. 4 square got cancelled. 81 multiplied by 9, that is 729 will be the. Let us see question number 5. Question number 5 is saying that simplify 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 2. So in multiplication the power gets added. 2 to the power 4 plus minus 2 plus minus will become minus. So 2 to the power 2, that is 4. 4 will be the answer. Likewise in the fourth part, it is saying 2 raised to the power minus 4 divided by 2 to the power 4. So it will become 2 to the power minus 4. Divide में power minus होता है तो minus 4. So 2 to the power minus 8. 2 to the power minus 8 will become 1 upon 2 to the power 8. And 2 to the power 8 is 256. Then in the sixth part, it is saying minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 by 3. So base same, multiplication power will be added, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 plus 1 will become minus 1, the fraction will be reversed, so it will become minus 3 by 2. Let us see question number 6. Question number 6, it is saying that minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 to the power 3. So base is same, in multiplication power gets added, so minus 5 to the power 4, 3 plus 1 4, and 5 multiplied by 4 times will be 625. Minus will become positive because the power is even number. Then in the third part, it is saying minus 3 raised to the power minus 6 divided by minus 3 raised to the power minus 3. So in division the power gets subtracted, so minus 3 power minus 6 minus minus 3, that will be plus 3, so minus 3 to the power minus 3, it will become 1 upon minus 3 to the power 3, and it will become minus 27. So minus 1 by 27. Let us see question number 7. Question number 7, it is saying that in the first part 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 raised to the power minus 1, right? So brackets power gets multiplied, so 2 by 3 minus 3 into minus 1 will become 3, 2 power 3 will be 8, 3 power 3 will be 27, so 8 by 27. Like in the third part, it is saying 15 upon 19 raised to the power minus 4 raised to the power minus 20. So 15 upon 19, in brackets power gets multiplied, so minus 4 into minus 20 will be 24 is 80. So 15 by 19 to the power 80 will be the answer. No need to expand it. Then comes question number 8. Question number 8 says that in the first part, simplify 10 upon 3 raised to the power minus 7 divided by 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 4. Now in this, it can be written as 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Why I am writing it 2 into 5? Because here it is 5. So 2 into 5 upon 3, and this whole to the power minus 7 divided by 3 by 5 to the power minus to the power 4, because power negative sign will be removed, fraction will be reversed. Now in the same way, this can be done, written as 3 upon 2 into 5 raised to the power 7 raised to the power 7. Now we will expand it. So on expansion, it can be written as 3 raised to the power 7 3 raised to the power 7 upon 2 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 7. The power 7 will be distributed to all of them, divided by 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 4. So 3 raised to the power 7 upon 2 raised to the power 7 into 5 raised to the power 7 multiplied by, the fraction will be reversed, so 5 to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 4. Now this 5 to the power 4, this 5 to the power 7, this 5 power 4 will make this 7 3, because in division power gets subtracted, and this 3 power 4 will make this 7 3, because again in division power gets subtracted. So 3 power 3 is 27 upon 2 to the power 7 can be written as 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Now why I am doing this? So because there is 5 to the power 3. So 2 and 5 both will have same power, they will be multiplied. So it will become 27. 2 to the power 4 will become 16, and 2 into 5 will become 10. 10 power 3 will become 1000. So the answer will be 27 upon 16,000. Let's see question number 8, second part. Second part, it is saying 7 by 9 raised to the power minus 11 multiplied by 9 upon 14 raised to the power minus 9. Now it can be written as 9 by 7 raised to the power 11, and it can be written as 14 by 9 raised to the power 9. The negative signs will be removed from the power. So it will be written as 9 to the power 11 upon 7 to the power 11. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. So 2 to the power 9, 7 to the power 9 upon 9 to the power 9. 9 to the power 9 will make this power 11 2, subtracted from 11 9 2, and 7 to the power 9 again make this 11 2. So 9 square is 81, 2 to the power 9 will be 512, 7 square will be 49. So multiply it, whatever you get, that will be the answer. Let us see question number 9. Question number 9 is saying that we have to find the reciprocal of x. So first of all, find the value of x, and the x is 2 by 3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus 1 multiplied by 1 by 6. So this will become 2 by 3 raised to the power 3 into 2, that is 6. This will become 3 to the power 2, because power is negative, the fraction will be reversed, and this will become 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 6. So 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 6 upon 3 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 upon 6. So 3 will make this 2 1, this 3 to the power 1 will make this 6 5. Now 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So this 2 will make this 6 5. So it will become 2 to the power 5, and 2 to the power 5 will be 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 32 upon 3 to the power 6. And 3 to the power 6 will be 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243 multiplied by 3. So this will be the answer. So in the question number 9, the 2 to the power 5 came to be 32, and 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 6 means 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 1, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 729. So 32 upon 729, and then we have to do reciprocal. So reciprocal will be 729 upon 32 will be the answer. Let us see question number 10. Question number 10, it is saying 8 by 11 raised to the power 2 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 11 by 8 raised to the power minus 12. So this will be written as 8 by 11, power will be multiplied, so 8 by 11 raised to the power minus 10 multiplied by, this can be written as 8 upon 11 raised to the power 12. Power is negative. In order to make it positive, the fraction will be reversed, and this will also accordingly become 11 by 8 raised to the power 10 multiplied by 8 by 11 raised to the power 12. So 11 to the power 10 upon 8 to the power 10, 8 to the power 12 upon 11 to the power 12. So this 10 will make this power 2, this 10 will make this power 2. So 8 square upon 11 square, 8 square 64, 11 square 121. This is the answer. Let's see question number 11. Question number 11, second part, it is saying 2 power minus 1 divided by 5 power minus 1 whole to the power 2 multiplied by minus 5 by 8 raised to the power 2. So 2 power minus 1, or you can write as 2 power minus 2 divided by 5 power minus 2. This 2 will be multiplied to both of them, and this will become minus 5 by 8 to the power 2. Now this can be written as 2 upon 5 whole to the power minus 2 multiplied by minus 5 by 8 whole to the power 2. So minus 2 divide sign, so that is why we can write it in upon, and both are having same minus power, and so we can take common power. Now this will become 5 by 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by minus 5 by 8 to the power 2. 5 square is 25, 2 square 4, minus 5 square 25, 8 square 64. 25 into 25, 625, 64 into 8, 64 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1, 256. Let us see question number 12. The question number 12, it is saying find a by b to the power minus 3. Find a by b raised to the power minus 3. If a by b is equals to, if a upon b is equals to 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 6 raised to the power 0. So 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. First of all, we will solve this only. So 2 by 3, so it can be written as 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 6 multiplied by 0 will become 0, and any number power 0 is 1, so divided by 1. So ultimately what we will get, a by b is equals to 3 square 9 upon 2 square 4, 9 by 4. Now it is asking a by b to the power minus 3. So we will write 9 by 4 raised to the power minus 3. So it can be written 4 by 9 raised to the power 3. 4 to the power 3, 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64, and 9 to the power 3, 9 9 is 81, 9 is 729. So 64 upon 729. Option B is correct. Question number 13. It is saying find x so that 4 upon 57 raised to the power 8 raised to the power 3 raised to the power minus 2 is equals to 4 upon 57 raised to the power minus 5x minus 3. So solve these powers, you will get 4 upon 57, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48, so minus 48 is equals to 4 upon 57 raised to the power minus 5x minus 3. Now any two numbers can be same only when their power is same. So by comparing the power, you can write minus 48 is equals to minus 5x minus 3. So minus 48 plus 3 is equals to minus 5x. So minus 45 is equals to minus 5x. Minus minus got cancelled, 5 cancelled, 45. So x is equals to 9. Option C is correct.